In this video, we'll be looking how publisher subscriber model works in Redis and in any pattern in general, like how publisher subscriber model works. So yeah, let's get started. So the model is pretty simple. Let's say there are two entities in this. So one is the publisher and the other is the subscriber. Right. So these are the two main entities in this model. So that's the reason even we call this a publisher subscriber model. So this literally means that exact wording they have put here. So the publisher publishes something and the subscriber subscribes to something so that it can get whatever the publisher is publishing, right? So let's say there are multiple subscribers here. Okay, it's totally blue, but okay. Let's align this. Right, so there are multiple subscribers here and one publisher. Let's say two publishers. So what we can do is, let's say the first two subscribers have subscribed to this publisher, right? They have subscribed to this publisher. So what it means by subscribing to a publisher is that they will get any information that the publisher is publishing. So because they have been subscribed to this publisher, whenever this publisher publishes something, so let's say if he releases some data, then it will be sent, or both the subscribers will be notified that this publisher has published something to all the subscribers, right? So it's the same with the others too. Let's say these other three subscribers have subscribed to this publisher, second one. So in this case, it's the same thing. Whenever this publisher publishes something, these two won't get the notification, but these three subscribers will get the notification that the second publisher has published something, and this they will be notified. You can take action if you want. So that's what basically the model is, and Redis can do this. So that's the point of this video that I wanted to convey. I know there's lots of confusing errors, but you get the point. So to do this, Redis has both a publisher and a subscriber. So it has these commands. Let me just open this. So I'll just open another. So you need two clients, right? So you can't have a single client and then have both publish and subscribe at the same time. So there must be multiple clients to do this. So these both are connected to one single Redis server, which is running at port 6379. So let me say, let's say not publish. Let's say first one subscribes to a channel. This channel is called users channel, right? So what it means is that this client, you can see I can't do anything now. I can only type, but nothing happens. What subscribe users does is that we subscribe to a publisher called users. So in this case, we have seen this, right? So in this case, this is the users, and this is the client we are subscribing. This is the subscriber client, and this is the publisher. Basically, the channel you have to publish. So we have subscribed to users, and then this is listening to users continuously. So it will be notified when we get some message in this channel. So we can test that. So we can publish a message to the users channel. So we can do that by publish to a channel, which is users in this case, and let's say new user 1. And you can see we get this three. Basically, we get the message notified. So these we have this message. It says message users and new user 1. What it means is that it got a message. It is a command, like message is a command. We got the publisher has published a new message, and the channel it has published to is users, and the key or the content or the data it has published is the new user 1. So if let's say if this client 2 also subscribes to users, and let's open a third client and let's do Redis CLI, and if I do publish users new user 2, you can see both of them get notified. And even if I do the same, like if I subscribe to users, and if I open another CLI, and if I do publish to the users channel, and this time it's new user 3, then all of them, like 3 of them, will get notified because all of them have subscribed to this channel, the users channel. So that's how publisher subscriber model works, and you can use this to send data or pull data without necessarily pinging them all the time, because it constantly listens. You can use this for various purposes. I mean, there are like multiple use cases for this. So this is a very simple example of how to do this. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe. Thank you.